Have you ever wondered why one color can completely change the personality of an SUV? Today we are taking a closer look at the Jaecoo 7 in Basalt Black. This color has quickly become one of the most popular choices in the UK. But is it really the best option for everyday driving? Or is there another color that deserves more attention? Stay with me until the end because I am going to share the biggest advantage of Basalt Black. The one drawback that many buyers only notice after owning the car, and whether I would personally choose this color. If you enjoy honest UK car reviews, ownership advice, and the latest automotive content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because we have plenty more videos coming soon. Now let's get started. The first time you see the Jaecoo 7 in Basalt Black, it immediately feels like a premium SUV. There is something about this deep black finish that gives the car a strong road presence. It does not need bright colors or flashy styling to attract attention. Instead, it relies on clean design, sharp lines, and a glossy finish that looks elegant from every angle. Whether the vehicle is parked outside your home, outside an office, or driving through busy city streets, it naturally stands out. One thing I really like about this color is that it suits almost every environment. It looks right at home in central London. It looks fantastic on country roads. It even suits motorway driving because the color gives the SUV a mature and executive appearance. Now let's move to the front of the vehicle. The large front grille immediately catches your attention. Because the body is finished in basalt black, the grille appears even wider and more aggressive. The LED headlights also become more noticeable, creating a modern and confident look. It is one of those designs that makes people take a second look as you drive past. As we move around to the side of the vehicle, the body lines become much more visible. The reflections across the paint make every curve stand out. This is where you start to appreciate the designer's work because the black finish highlights details that lighter colors sometimes hide. Even the alloy wheels seem to blend perfectly with the overall design. Now take a look at the rear. The full-width LED light bar gives the Jaecoo 7 a premium appearance, especially after sunset. When the lights are switched on at night, the contrast between the LEDs and the black paint creates a very expensive-looking finish. It is easily one of my favorite views of this SUV. Now here is something many people do not realize. Basalt Black actually changes its appearance depending on the weather. On a bright sunny day, the paint reflects the sky beautifully and has a deep glossy shine. During cloudy weather, which is very common in the UK, the vehicle looks darker, stronger, and even more sophisticated. At night, under street lights, the reflections create an almost luxury brand appearance. It almost feels like a different car every time the lighting changes. But let's talk about the question everyone asks. Is black difficult to maintain? The honest answer is yes, but only if you neglect regular cleaning. Dust, watermarks, fingerprints, and small scratches are more noticeable than they are on white or silver vehicles. Since the UK experiences frequent rain, owners may find themselves washing the car more often. However, there is good news. A quality ceramic coating can make maintenance much easier while helping the paint stay glossy for much longer. If you enjoy looking after your car, this really should not be a problem. Now let's step inside the cabin. The interior immediately gives you a premium impression. The large infotainment display looks modern and responsive. The digital driver's display is clear and easy to read. The panoramic roof allows plenty of natural light into the cabin, making the interior feel even more spacious. The seats are comfortable, the materials feel high quality, and the overall layout is simple and easy to use. Whether you are driving to work every day or taking a long weekend trip with the family, the cabin feels like a comfortable place to spend time. Now imagine driving this vehicle at night. The street lights reflect across the glossy black paint. The LED lighting creates a distinctive signature on the road. Inside the cabin, everything feels calm, modern, and comfortable. This is exactly the type of SUV that makes every journey feel a little more special. So who should choose Basalt Black? If you want an SUV that looks elegant, timeless, and premium, this is probably the color for you. If you enjoy keeping your vehicle clean and appreciate a polished finish, you will love owning it. On the other hand, if you prefer a color that hides dirt more effectively and requires less maintenance, you may want to consider silver or white instead. For me, Basalt Black offers the strongest road presence of the entire Jaecoo's 7-color range. It is stylish without being flashy. It is modern without following short-term trends. Most importantly, it is a color that will still look premium years from now. Now I would like to hear your opinion. If you were buying a brand new Jaecoo 7 today, which color would you choose? Would it be Basalt Black, Greenstone, Pearl Silver, or another option? Leave your answer in the comments because I read as many comments as possible, and I always enjoy hearing your thoughts. If you found this review useful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest UK car reviews, test drives, comparisons, and ownership guides. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.